So that's the electromagnetic spectrum. Let's take a look at what that light does to chlorophyll to get this whole thing started. Chlorophyll is a pretty special molecule. And what happens is that radiant energy, photons specifically, have an amazing effect on chlorophyll. They interact with the chemical of chlorophyll. So a photon of light literally boosts electrons in a chlorophyll molecule to a higher orbital. Okay, that isn't comfortable. It's not stable. And Mother Nature likes stable chemicals. So in moving from that excited state back to where it was initially, that energy then can be passed from one chemical to another. Here is chlorophyll A. And highlighted here are the portions of chlorophyll that are affected by photons of light. Okay, so electrons in this area of chlorophyll can be boosted. Okay? What does that mean exactly? So what we're saying is from where that electron is originally referred to as its ground state, the photon literally strikes that electron, pushes it to an outer orbital. So literally causing that, we can look at it from a different angle here, literally causing that electron to jump out to a higher orbital. We know that higher orbitals have greater energy. Okay? And this isn't going to last very long. It's highly unstable. So as that drops back down, as this electron now drops back down to its more stable original ground state, that energy is going to be passed from chlorophyll from one molecule to another. And that is the moment when radiant energy is captured as chemical energy. Brief introduction to the photosystems that then start to hot potato this energy now that's been captured by boosting of that electron. So here is a photosystem. Okay, so light is going to strike. Okay, first of all, let's orient ourselves. This is the inner thylakoid membrane. Okay, here's the inside of that thylakoid itself. Okay, I said inner thylakoid membrane. It'd be more accurate to say thylakoid membrane. Okay, so light is going to strike chlorophyll. That is going to then hot potato that electron from molecule to molecule in this photosystem. Okay, eventually sending that electron to what's referred to as the primary electron acceptor here, okay, in what's referred to as this reaction center. So we have two parts of this: the harvesting portion or the harvesting photo part of this photosystem and the reaction center. The reaction center is going to be the primary electron acceptor. We now have a place where the very last place where that electron hot potato is going to then be taken to the next level. So we have two photosystems, and they're referred to as photosystem 1 and 2. They're named in order of their discovery, not in order of their function in this process. So I believe our next video, we're going to take a look at what happens in these two photosystems in order to move that electron energy from a place of being captured to a place where it's actually producing ATP and electron carriers for us.